Cadillac Eldorado, the land yacht of American excess. Picture this. It's the early 1970s. The Beatles are breaking up. Nixon's up to no good. And there's a new behemoth cruising the streets that makes Godzilla look like a gecko, the Cadillac Eldorado. This isn't just a car. It's a rolling monument to American excess. It's ostentatious, extravagant, and as subtle as a sledgehammer in a candle shop. The Eldorado was the automotive equivalent of a three-piece suit with a fat cigar and a gold watch poking out of it. It boasted a mammoth 8.2-liter V8 engine, the sort of displacement that could double as an industrial generator. You don't drive this car. You captain it like a luxury liner slicing through the Atlantic with enough torque to pull the moon out of orbit. We're talking about a level of opulence that laughed in the face of the oil crisis. Fuel economy? Puh. That's for the plebeians. Inside, the Eldorado was a gaudy time capsule of 70s luxury. Plush leather seats that could double as lounge furniture, wood veneer panels that looked like they were ripped off the walls of a gentleman's club, and dashboard dials the size of dinner plates. It was outrageously flamboyant, like Elvis Presley's wardrobe on wheels. Imagine cruising around town and feeling like you've just purchased an entire zip code. That's the Eldorado experience. The suspension was so soft and bouncy, it felt like driving a cloud through a field of marshmallows. Handling, however, was less cloud-like, and more oil tanker turning corners was a gentle suggestion rather than a command. But who cares? This car wasn't made for the Nürburgring. It was made for Sunset Boulevard, for prowling the strip with all the subtlety of a Vegas showgirl. Let's talk about the looks. The front grille was an enormous chrome smile that announced your arrival with a fanfare of bling. Fins, of course, and lines so long and sharp they could slash through time itself. It was as if the car was saying, "Yeah, I'm big. Deal with it. Deal with it." The Eldorado wasn't about efficiency or subtlety. It was about making a statement. It whispered sweet nothings in the ear of your ego while loudly proclaiming your success to everyone else. It was the car that turned excessive into a verb. As you glided past, people didn't just see you, they experienced you. Of course, all this grandeur came with quirks. Parking? Good luck fitting this Leviathan into any spot created after 1980. And let's not even get started on reliability. The Eldorado seemed to have a love affair with the mechanic's workshop. But that didn't matter. You didn't buy an Eldorado to be practical. You bought it to be epic. And here we are, decades later, still talking about this marvel of motorized braggadocio. It's not just nostalgia, it's respect. It's a nod to an era when cars were more than machines. They were personalities. The Cadillac Eldorado was, and still is, a love letter to a time when size mattered. Luxury was limitless, and driving was an act of grandeur. If you're tickled by tales of automotive grandeur and miss the days when cars had more character than a Shakespearean play, then smash that like button. Subscribe to Autoicons for more rollicking rides down memory lane. Let's celebrate the giants of yesteryear, one outrageous car at a time.